Welcome back students in Holy Angel School and Junior College online classes. Class 7 Geography chapter number 7 Soil. In this video we are going to discuss how soil is formation, which factors are necessary for the soil formation. Soil formation is not a short time process, it is a long time process. Students, 2.5 सेंटीमीटर सॉइल का लेयर तैयार होने के लिए लाखों साल लगते हैं. इसका मतलब सॉइल फॉर्मेशन दिस प्रोसेस इज अ लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन प्रोसेस. विच फैक्टर्स आर इफेक्ट ऑन द सॉइल फॉर्मेशन? यस, parent rock, climate, biotic material and time factors are effect on the soil formation. Let's discuss first point, parent rock. Remember that the parent rock in the region is an important factor in soil formation. Depending on the hardness of the rock and climate of the region, the rock get weathered. The rocks turn into powdery material which further turn into earthy material. For example, basalt rock of the Deccan Plateau in Maharashtra turn into black soil after weathering. This soil also referred to as regur soil. Rocks like granite, gneiss in South India gives rise to red soil. Students, the parent rock also is one of the important factor to the formation of soil. It is depending on the hardness of the rock and the climate of the region. The rock was get weathered. The rocks turn into powdery form. When rocks turn into powdery form, after the powdery form of the rock, that turn into earthy material, it became a soil. Example, basalt rock of the Deccan Plateau in Maharashtra turn into black soil. Black soil is also known as a regur mruda. But the granite gneiss in the South India give rise to the red soil. Next factor necessary for soil formation, regional climate. This is also an important factor influencing the soil formation. Weathering of the rock is the first step in the process of the soil formation. The process of weathering depends on the climate of the region. The climate decides the intensity of the weathering. That is why one and the same type of rock gives rise to different types of soil. When the rock is exposed to different climates, in the dry climate of Deccan Plateau, weathering of basalt lead to the formation of black soil. But whereas in the humid climate at the western Sahyadris, the leaching of same basalt rock leads to the formation of laterite soil. Students, the climate also affect to make the formation of soil. When the basalt rock is exposed in different climates, when this rock exposed in the dry climate, the Deccan Plateau, weathering the formation of black soil. But the basalt rock exposed in humid climate, the soil turn into laterite soil. Next point, biotic material. The weathering of the rocks turn into powdery material, but this powdery material is not soil. To turn such powdery material into soil, it is necessary that biotic material get mixed into it. The biotic materials come from the decompositions of the remains of the plants and animals in that region. The vegetal litters, root of plants, remains of animals, etc. get decomposed due to water, microorganisms and certain other organisms help decompose the dead remains of organic material. The biotic material thus produced get mixed into the soil and is called humus. If the proportion of humus in the soil is greater, the soil became fertile. When the rock turn into powdery material, it is not a soil. Powdery material means it is not a soil. In that powdery material, need to mix some biotic material. After that, mixing the biotic material, this soil became valuable, because which material needs to include it? The dead parts of plants, animal, when they decompose, after the decomposition, after the rooting of the plants, animal, some microorganisms help the decompose the dead remains of organic material. The biotic material produced get mixed into the soil, and this is called the humus. If the proportion of humus in the soil is greater, the soil became fertile. जिस सॉइल में ह्यूमस ज़्यादा होता है वो सॉइल अच्छी मानी जाती है, वो सॉइल खेती के लायक मानी जाती है, खेती के लिए वो सॉइल बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होती है. द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिकम्पोजिशन बाय लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म टेक प्लेस कंटिन्यूअसली. Nowadays, production of vermicompost is undertaken on a large scale. Try to understand the process of producing vermicompost or compost. Producing of compost needs sufficient period of time and element like organic waste, water, heat, etc. Students, nowadays we are using the vermicompost and compost. Both process are different, correct, but in that process need some organism, water, heat. After some time, the dead parts of animal, the waste material, like peels of the fruits, peels of the vegetables, we are throwing inside in the garbage. These all things are decomposing. After that decomposing, it became a compost, and this compost is very useful, which is very fertile for the land. Next, time. Soil formation is a natural and slow process. It needs a very long period of time to form to a 2.5 centimeter thick layer of the top soil. It takes thousands of years. From this, you may understand that soil are invaluable in the region of higher rainfall and higher temperature. The process of the soil formation is faster. Comparatively, the region of low temperature and low rainfall soil formation takes more time. Students, soil formation एक शॉर्ट टर्म प्रोसेस है क्या? नहीं. सॉइल फॉर्मेशन इज ए लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोसेस. 2.5 सेंटीमीटर सॉइल का लेयर तैयार होने के लिए थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ईयर्स लगते हैं, लेकिन जहाँ पे कम है रेनफॉल और लो टेम्परेचर और लो रेनफॉल है, ऐसे प्लेसेस पे सॉइल फॉर्मेशन के प्रोसेस के लिए बहुत टाइम लगता है, उससे भी ज़्यादा. Humans use soil gifted by nature as a resources. It is mainly used for agriculture purpose, for getting higher production. Different types of chemical fertilizers, insecticides are used profusely. However, this lead to the degradation of soil. Soil is a natural gift, correct? So we are using mainly soil for the agriculture. Mostly we use the land for agriculture, because you need to take more production. For that we use the fertilizer, pesticides and insecticides. But when we use these all things more and more, it is harmful to our soil. Because of that, earth became a degradation.